Hey guys, today I'm looking at the second Group B piece from Grade 1 in the new Trinity drum kit syllabus for 2020 to 2023. It's called Count Me In. It's a swing feel and it's got a swing on the quavers. So on all the ands, they won't be right in the middle. They're going to be delayed a little bit. So instead of being 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, those ands will be pushed back closer to the next beat. So it'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So that's how you swing. If you don't understand that, or you haven't done swing before, go back and look at some of the earlier videos from even in the next grade, in the previous grade, the introductory grade, but also in the earlier grade 1 pieces. The videos will have a good explanation of what swing is. So this piece, it's a section B piece. It has no backing track. It's at 90 BPM, so you're just going to basically play along and get comfortable with it. So I'm just going to talk you through it and you can see what I'm talking about. If you don't understand the swing, maybe go look at one of those videos, but if you've got the grasp of that, then this is the video for you. So you're opening up with the ride cymbal and snare, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the opening line. Let me do that again for you two. Ready, go. Okay, if that makes perfect sense to you, then we're in the right place. The next line has specific sticking indicated. So if you look at bar 5, it has R, L, R, L, R. They want right hand, left hand. So right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the second line. I'll do that again for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're on to section B. It stays in the same feel, but you've got the snare drum on the left now coming in a little bit. Hard to predict the pattern on this one, but when you practice it, it's as easy as anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's 9 and 10. I'll do that a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's all that line, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 is a paradiddle pattern, and again it has the rights and the lefts indicated, so you have to use those particular hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 13 and 14 needs to be practiced on its own until you get comfortable with it. That moving around pattern, it can be a little bit tricky until you get used to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 13 and 14, and you got 1, 2, sorry, wrong hands, left hand is indicated. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. I messed it up, sorry. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is bar 15. And then on 16, you got on the bass drum 1, on the snare drum 2, and then you got floor tom and rack tom 3, and rest on the 4, and then down on the snare drum for the end. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Okay, so instead of doing 13, 14, 15, 16, do 13, 14 as an exercise and do 15, 16 as an exercise. So if we've done 13 and 14 twice already, so let's do 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Again, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you're out of the woods. It's straight 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, right cymbal and bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, hi-hat pedal. 1, hi-hat pedal. 1, snare. 3, snare. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 17, 18, 19, 20 is very straight. Now we've got doubles, again with the sticking indicated. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the left hand basically stays on the snare and the right moves from rack, tackle, floor, tom. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Still, it's not that tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1. So there's a little bit of a roll on the cymbal there at the end because there's a pause and they want that to ring out over the 4. Okay, so that last line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, listen, this is a fun piece once you get your claws into it and you really start to understand. You'll notice that a lot of my counting there, I'm not saying the ands or putting on the R or anything. I'm just counting the pulse and letting the swing happen. Okay. Get comfortable with your swinging, and like all of your pieces can have that kind of comfortable nature when you want to put a swing into it. If you don't really understand the swing, maybe go back. But other than that, thanks for watching. If you want any other pieces covered, let me know and I'll do my best for you. The Count Me In performance with a metronome, I'm going to do that right now, so that should be there on the playlist that is listed, that this piece is in. Thanks for watching, guys, and that's the last piece for grade 1 group B. So that's the last piece in grade 1. We'll be moving on to the grade 2 after this. So well done for getting this far, and good luck at your exam if you're going to sit an exam in grade 1. This is not an easy grade. It might be called grade 1, but it's you're pretty good on the drums if you're able to play all these pieces. So well done. Best of luck in your exam if you're sitting one, and if this is your last time playing a grade 1 piece, good luck in your grade 2, and I'll see you there. Hopefully I'll do a full set of videos for the grade 2 in this syllabus as well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again soon. Bye.